the farm origin. These birds are destined to become the products processed in the massive industrial factory visible on the horizon.
The raw, plucked turkey carcasses hanging on a stainless steel shackle line pass through high-pressure water.
This one looks good. Send it through.
High grade confirmed. Move to the next batch.
Chilling the carcass, the body temperature must drop rapidly to prevent bacteria. The steam rises from the warm turkey meeting the cold air.
Weighing and sorting. An automated shackle system weighs each hanging turkey. A computer sorts them by size. Small ones.
For boneless products, skilled butchers stand at a conveyor. They deftly remove the breast meat from the bone.
The raw turkey breasts or whole birds pass under a multi-needle injector machine. The machine pumps the seasoned brine deep.
The injected meat is loaded into a massive stainless steel drum. It spins slowly under a vacuum.
For boneless roasts, the meat is pressed into a tube and encased in an elastic net. This holds the shape.
For whole birds, workers tuck the wings and tie the legs. This trussing ensures the turkey cooks evenly. It is the classic roast shape.
Careful, it's slippery here.
Yeah, I got this one. Making sure they're spaced right.
The racks are wheeled into a gigantic industrial smokehouse or oven. The heavy doors close. The turkey is about to transform.
Inside the oven, steam is injected to keep the environment moist. Condensation drips off the turkey. This
A graph on the computer screen shows the core temperature of the turkey rising to 165 degrees roast.
The hot racks are immediately pushed into a blast chiller. Cooling the turkey rapidly is essential to stop the cooking and prevent bacteria.
For the boneless logs, a machine automatically strips off the elastic netting. It reveals the textured surface of the turkey.
Bones and scraps from the turkey are collected. They are sent to a rendering plant to make pet food. The factory wastes nothing from the roast process.
The spice blend is excellent, very authentic.
Do you think the cayenne level is too high for the average consumer?
We need broad appeal.
Yeah. I'm dispatching 2 extra convoys to the factory immediately. We need those loaded by 0500 sharp. No delays on the turkey shipments.
Delivering quality roasts across the nation. Fresh every night. The truck arrives at a supermarket distribution center. Male workers unload the turkey. The roast is one step closer to the table.
All right, everyone, dinner is served. Look at that color, perfectly golden brown and incredibly juicy.
Millions of pounds of turkey move through. The scale of the roast industry is massive.
A quick look at the hickory smoke line. The turkey is darker. Real wood chips are used in the factory. A different take on the roast.
The American roast is a global product.
You won't find a better bird anywhere.
To good health and family.
Cheers to that.
The cycle of the turkey continues. The roast feeds the nation.